This video is part of a Pixalate Know Your Developer research investigation from Pixalate's ad fraud and compliance team, and documents Pixalate's forensic traffic analysis of a mobile application identified as likely child-directed. The objective is to observe if the app properly signals a child user to the advertising ecosystem when installed on a device explicitly configured for a child, and if verifiable parental consent is obtained prior to the transmission of any data to third-party ad partners. Visit Pixalate.com for the full research report. Pixalate's traffic analysis of the Hero Wars app in the Apple App Store, developed by Nexters Global, reveals a children's privacy compliance risk. The test was conducted on an iPhone running iOS 26.1, explicitly configured as a child's device via Apple's device profile settings. According to a manual review from Pixalate's Trust and Safety Advisory Board, the app is likely child-directed. There was no age gate and no verifiable parental consent observed prior to being served advertisements. Network logs revealed the app's communication with ad SDKs, which passed the COPPA flag marked as 0 or false, indicating a general or adult audience, despite the child-directed nature of the app and the test device's profile settings. In play testing, the device's IP address was transmitted within the request URL parameters in an ad request with no COPPA flag, which would indicate a child user. The offer wall contained an ad from McDonald's, which instructed the user to fill in an email to earn virtual currency for the game. A later offer wall experience again revealed the transmission of the device's real IP address. Alongside IP address, the persistent IDFV identifier, or identifier for vendors, is also shared with ad partners, alongside other user attributes including device make and model, time zone, internet connection type, user battery and brightness levels, volume settings, light or dark mode on the device, system uptime, and more. Attributes that, when combined, are often used for device fingerprinting, when the advertising ID is passed as all zeros, which it is when an Apple device is configured as a child's. This app lists 44 advertising platforms as direct partners on its appads.txt file. Additionally, outside of Pixalate's manual review, Pixalate's aggregate data shows that IP address and geolocation coordinates are also transmitted in the ad bid stream without VPC within this application.